ka Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong MECS mentak sengi kila penlong i kajing Shong Kyrain hadon besko square Laitumkhrah Shillong ban persya ban penrem jula hal kajing Shah Pyniap ki Ngut kisipara ha kajing jedang sian ha Manipur habakran shikalat ptai kubor ka presiden ke MECS ka TS Laima kala ong bakani kajing ki la penlong ban penrem jula kajing Shah Pyniap jong Ngut ki Heprit kentup wai usindang bedang san snem kerta bat keparakan thai bedang san benai ka penpa ko jing solam mi kani longjing bat ke penram jo ya kijing jia nama bakat ba ko pa jong ki udang ai kijing yadai ka ri nama utrai ku musipai hapo border security force BSF bat kat ba ka kemi ka de ka nos ko batrai aplo hospital ko hati kini ki khon gira khalat ha kijing sha ther ha rocket ha ying sa jong ki ha ka nyau tari ya yong aja punriu kalima ka kentu ka sokal India ba ka dai ban sim ya ki lat kenti ban wanra biang ya jingsuk bat ka dai ban pensitam mi ka bron kti ban Pyniap ya kini ki Heprit.
Having this sit-in protest to condemn the act of killing of two innocent children, a 5-year-old boy and his 5-month-old sister in their own house, while the father is busy serving the security of the country as a BSF Jawan, and the mother, she was on maternity leave. She is a nurse serving the people in the Apollo Hospital, Guwahati. And the two innocent children were killed in the rocket attack that happened in their house at 1 a.m. on the 7th April 2026. So we are here to show our solidarity with the victims, with the family of the children, and to condemn the act of their death. It is a very sad thing that the government cannot put an end to this violence. It's almost 3 years now. So we would appeal to the government to bring peace and to end this violence as soon as possible, because lives are lost and properties are lost and the people are all suffering. So we are appealing to the government to bring an end to this violence. The victims that are Meiteis. We are from the Meitei community of Manipur. I have said before, we want peace, we want the government to bring a solution to this violence as soon as possible, and we want the illegal immigrants coming from the neighboring countries to have a solution to the illegal immigrants and the drug menace that has been happening in the state, also in the country, especially in the northeastern states. That also is one of the main reasons of this violence. Should be put an end to it. And we also appeal to the government that the national highways should be removed, should be secure for the Meitei community to be able to use the national highways. We will continue to organize such silent, peaceful demonstrations if required, and as and when required, and if it will help bring peace to the violence happening, we will continue. Government of India has deployed many security forces in the state to contain whatever reason since the ethnic violence have started. Government of India has brought so many armed deploys in the state. So that is the only step that has been taken up by the government, and there has been some dialogues from both the communities, either together or separately, but till now the dialogues have not bear any fruit. So this is the step, I think.